Python is the heart of artificial intelligence and machine learning. But why? Why did AI choose Python over every other language? In this video, I will explain why Python dominates AI, how TensorFlow and PyTorch work, and real-world examples. Let's begin. Why Python dominates AI? AI and ML need three things. First one is fast mathematical computation, secondly huge datasets, and third rapid experimentation. Python makes all three easy because simple and readable syntax, massive AI libraries, works with GPUs, huge global community, and lastly faster prototyping than any other language. AI researchers prefer Python because ideas can be tested quickly and speed of innovation is key in AI. So what the Python's powerful AI libraries? First one is NumPy, that's mathematical foundation that handle vectors, matrix, and linear algebra fastly. Second, Pandas for data protection, used to clean and process huge data sets. And thirdly, Matplotlib or Seaborn for data visualization, used for analyzing patterns and graphs. And lastly, Scikit-Learn for machine learning that detects algorithm for classification, regression, clustering, and more. These libraries make AI development incredibly efficient. Let we get discuss about deep learning that combines with TensorFlow and PyTorch, how they work. First one is TensorFlow that converts math into computational graphs, runs on GPUs or TPUs, and great for large-scale production systems. Used in Google Photos, YouTube recommendations, speech to text, and translate. PyTorch that's very flexible and Pythonic. Used dynamic graphs, best for research and experiments. Used in GPT models, Meta AI, robotics, reinforcement learning. If TensorFlow is for deployment, then PyTorch is for innovation. Let's talk about some real-world AI examples built in with Python. First is self-driving cars. That's the common example. Python models analyze lane lines, obstacle, pedestrians, and traffic signals. Second, Instagram or Facebook, their recommendation and face recognition systems runs mainly on PyTorch. Next, Netflix or YouTube, Python ML predicts what you will watch next. Then ChatGPT and generative AI, that large language models and image generators rely heavily on Python. Healthcare AI, that Python models detect cancer, analyze X-rays, and monitor patients. Python is literally shaping the future. Why Python is still in number one in AI? That's easy to learn, deep learning libraries, GPU compatibility, huge community, supported by Google, Meta, Nvidia, used in both research and production. Python is the universal language of artificial intelligence. So in this quick explanation, we saw why Python powers AI, simple and flexible, massive ML libraries, TensorFlow and PyTorch, GPU acceleration, used everywhere from Google to Tesla. Python did not just join the AI revolution, it created it. If you enjoyed this, hit the like and subscribe, comment more AI content if you want the next episode on how AI models are trained. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, keep coding, keep creating.